the Nigerian movement. We must come together to do this work. As we are seated here, not all of us will be in the balance. Some of us will be in the balance. But some of you people, others will be on the balance on your behalf, because without you, they cannot be on the balance. Being in balance is different to winning is another thing. We must win, and that is our purpose of calling you. Thank you very much. And in no distance time, we will start hearing from you. They will open our WhatsApp. We will open our group so that you'll be seeing what is happening and you have the right to comment. Thank you for coming. And if you permit me, you will pray for us because you are not going to talk again.
I think we asked them to go out, to go and discuss. Let us hear their own feedback.